Hey there, my friends. Kirkshan's Turnipseed here. Welcome back to another The Resellers Club review. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the Resellers Club, how you can make direct, instant commissions of up to $1,000, and how you could get started. And I'm really going to talk in this video about why I joined. Okay, so let's get right into that. All right, so I wanted to, before we jump into this, I wanted to say that, if you are an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer or online entrepreneur and you're looking for a way to build daily instant cash flow, instant payments, you're also looking for a way to build residual slash reoccurring payments, then you want to check this system out, and the link is beneath this video. Now let's get into the system, this review. I wanted to first start off by talking about that this is a proven model. The Resellers Club is a proven model. You have the ability to earn direct payments of $250, $500, and $1,000, and you can also earn $25 residual commissions for every person that joins you in this system. So, who is this for? This is definitely for affiliate marketers and digital marketers who want residual income, but also want that high ticket and instant daily cash flow. Okay. This is also for the affiliate marketer who understands digital products. This is a digital product, meaning you don't have to have a room full of stuff. It's digital, meaning you're able to have a business that's online and you can work it that way. Now, if you're new, an absolute beginner, I would recommend plugging into the Infinity Processing System, where you could actually learn the foundations of marketing and start getting those $300 commissions, and then come over and make high ticket commissions with this. But if you have some experience in the game, you don't need a lot, but come over to the Resellers Club and earn these high ticket commissions. That's what it's really all about. Now, the good thing is with this system, not only can you make 250, 500, and $1,000 commissions, but you can get paid how you like, whether that's Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, however you like to receive payments. You could even receive manual payments if you like. I want to quickly show you proof that some of our members are getting results, that other members are getting results with this private resellers club. So let me actually show you that. I just wanted to come and show you that our members are getting results with this automated system. We have here, Brandon got his residual commission paid to his cash about $25. We have, James got his $500 commission. And then we have Benny, who also received a $500 commission. So members are getting results with this system, leveraging this automated system and the strategies that are actually taught within the system. So let me jump into what that is and show you what's inside the system. I'm in the membership area, and I wanted to point out what you get access to as a member of the Resellers Club. So one of the things is, first of all, when you join at the $250, $500, $1,000 package level, you get access to what's called a digital service package. That is a suite of tools to help you build your business. One of those such tools is, if you're an affiliate or digital marketer, you know that you may promote other things besides this, the Resellers Club, and you probably are looking for one way to be able to streamline that when you're, sending out email broadcasts, when you're posting your link in your bios and things like that. How do you let people know the other things that you have without confusing your audience and sending out a million different links? Well, in this system, you're able to promote the Resellers Club, but also introduce people to the other things that you offer without having to promote a million things, right? So you're going to get access to a page that you can create and edit to your liking that looks like this. It's in your back office, and you're able to then, edit that and send that page out. So the first one, you're able to put a video. You can click here, you can upload a video. Let me just click on it, just show you. You can embed like a YouTube video where you're introducing yourself and telling people why they should partner with you. And then, like for me, step 2 is for them to go on to take a look at the Resellers Club. They can take a look at my IPS if they're looking for training. If they're looking for a funnel, they can look at the Home Business Academy. If they're looking to build other streams of home-based income, they could look at the money list, and then they could even book a paid consultation with me and get access to email swipes. These are things that are in my business wheelhouse, right? But whatever it is that you promote, you can put them in one funnel, right? And you can then share that and introduce other people. Even in your YouTube description, instead of just having a whole bunch of links, you can have one link. and you could, they could go, you could be doing a video on any one of these things and have one link, and people can get introduced to the other things that you promote. So that's the beauty of this digital product packages. Okay, so if you're looking to be able to promote multiple streams of income, or share other things you promote in your back office, you can do that in the multiple streams marketplace. So once you come over here in the digital service package, it's called multiple stream marketplace, and that's what this is. Okay, so one thing that I want to point out with the Resellers Club is when you come into the system, you want to click this button right here, or this little icon right here. This will always take you back to your dashboard. This is what you're seeing right here is the dashboard. When you scroll down, you see the dashboard. On this dashboard, you're going to get access done for you capture pages. Okay, if you're an affiliate marketer or digital marketer, you know what a capture page is. It is the foundation of having an online business. It means that people can put in their email addresses, you can capture it, you can build a list, you can market to that list, right? That is what that is about. And you get access to this in the Resellers Club. Now, the beauty of the pages that are already done for you, put together, the headlines are tested, they're nice, simple capture pages, is that there are autoresponders already tied to that, already put together. And you don't have to go in and put together messages. Now, if you want to, you can, well, let me just first by saying you come in here, you pick what capture page you want to promote. This is the capture page that I'm promoting. So I just go here, copy this link, put this in Notepad, and boom, I'm able to start promoting my link or sharing my link with my content. Okay. So that's pretty much how that works. If you already have, like, let's say you have a capture page system, you're with the Home Business Academy, or you're with the Power Lead system, or whatever system you might have. If you didn't want to use the done for you pages and you wanted to slap them behind a capture page that is on your system, you just come over here to where it says registration page, and that's the sales page. And you just copy your link there, and now you have access to the sales page for the Resellers Club. Okay, so that's pretty much that. Also, I just showed you how to let me just click on it. So your social media hub and things like that, where you could put, some of your videos, your important YouTube videos, you'll have access to that link as well. To swing back around and kind of just talk a little bit about these done for you capture pages that are tied to follow-up messages. That is the makings of an automated system, right? You don't have to create the system. You don't have to create the follow-up messages. Your job is just to simply put out simple posts and content, which the video shows you, the training in the system shows you how to do. That's what the done for you system does. It has the training included, it has the system created, and you just got to do simple things daily that can bring you the traffic or the visitors to your website. That's your job, right? And it's really simple work. It's the consistency part that a lot of people struggle with. But that said, you having this system done for you capture pages, an automated system, all this is part of your dashboard. um the other thing is, with these capture pages, these done for you capture pages, you have the option to either do paid traffic, where you're paying for, like, paid ads, paid traffic, solo ads, things like that, or you could also do what I do, which is free affiliate marketing. So let me just show you pages that I just showed you. Um, you can do either paid traffic or paid ads, or you could do free traffic, which is what I've been doing for years. Like I said, the system, you have access to training on that. I'm at the $1,000 level. I truly believe in this system. The creator is TJ Holloway, and the last system he promoted, this is when I got my first big check using free affiliate marketing, that I actually learned how to promote an automated system. Like, his system was the first time I learned how, like, what high ticket automated systems were and how to leverage them. And I'm so excited for people to learn how to do that, right? To get those high ticket commissions. Like, you're already doing affiliate marketing, guys. Like, get the high ticket commissions. My breakout program was with him, and with that system, he paid out over $2 million to affiliates just like myself, with that system. And the strategies that I've learned that are free, that I share with people who partner with me, I've been able to apply to multiple affiliate programs. Rinse and repeat is the same strategy, and it's simple and it works. It doesn't have to take a long time every day. It's just a daily routine, right? So that's that. I want to quickly talk about the compensation plan because it's great. I've talked about how great I think the system is. I know the system is, but let's get to the money, right? So there's three different product packages that you can earn commissions on. There's a 250 commission digital products package, a $500 digital products package, and $1,000 buyer leads package. I'm at the $1,000 commission because I like earning $1,000 commissions. And for me, that was very life changing, understanding that by simply positioning myself, having an automated system, and applying the training in the automated system, that I could earn $1,000 commissions and I could create $1,000 days. And that's what I'm excited for other people to experience, right? So, anyways, that said, you can earn residual income as well. So let's say somebody goes and they buy one of these packages. In addition to getting this instant commission, you're going to get $25 per person, or $25 a month, I should say, per person who buys one of these packages. Okay, so you again decide how you want to be paid, whether it's Cash App, Stripe, Zelle, etc. If you want to get paid offline, there's an option to do that as well. So there's different ways that you can get paid with the system, um, and that's that. Um, I want to make sure I'm not forgetting anything about the compensation. Um, yeah, I mean the thing to know about these packages is, okay, let's say your goal was to make an extra $5,000 for the month. If you were positioned at $1,000 buyer leads package, this is the power of high ticket marketing, right? You made five commissions for that month, right? Let's say, it took you 2 months to do that, to make five commissions. You made $5,000 in 2 months, right? But your initial investment with a digital product, you don't have to have inventory, all those things like that, was only $1,000. It's a win-win, right? This is why I love automated systems. It really just makes dollars and cents. Um, so let me just quickly summarize the benefits and then we're going to wrap this up. So the benefits are this. When you join the Resellers Club, you're going to get access to not only all the things that I've showed you, but one of the things that is really powerful, and I'm going to just walk you through it. Give me a second and let my screen refresh. So one of the things you're going to get access to that's powerful, in addition to the automated system, the tools, the ability to earn these commissions. But here's what I'm excited about. You're going to get introduced to what is called the 21-day challenge. 21-day challenge is a strategic step-by-step process that walks you from being able to, in your first week, setting up your system, right? Having your system set up the right way so you can market step by step. In the second couple of days, or the next 7 days, is going to walk you through getting your mindset together to be a digital entrepreneur. What is the mindset of a digital entrepreneur? And then in week 3, it's going to get into the meat and potatoes and walk you through strategically how to do content digital marketing. These are the foundations of being a digital marketer and really making digital marketing a real lifestyle, a real way of life, and where you can consistently earn because you understand these principles. You understand that when you join a system, you're not just joining a system and paying and then jumping to another system. You have to set your system up. Number one. Number two, you have to have the mindset that you are going to establish a daily routine and that you're going to be committed to growing your digital business. And this goes over that. And then in step 3, you have to promote and market your business. And it gives you that as well. So I love that it has broken it down for anyone day by day, no overwhelm. And let me tell you a little quick tip here. For those of you who are like, wow, you showed us that with the last program, actually I went on to make over $20,000 that program, but the check that you see was the first check that I got. That was a $10,000 one. But that said, how did I do that? With exactly what's being shown in the 21-day challenge. So I'm going to challenge you, if you're watching this video and you're like, you know what? Not only do I want to join you, Shin, in this reseller club, but I also want to learn how to apply these principles to whatever I promote, then I want you to take the 21-day challenge serious. What I want you to do is come in every day. I want you to watch one of these videos in the 21-day challenge. I want you to then turn around and make a review video on what you just watched. Go ahead. Day number 1, system overview, profile, payment processor setup. Go watch that video. Do what it tells you to do. And then I want you to, after you did it, turn around, make a review video. The Reseller Club review, how to set up your system and payment processes to make $1,000 days. You see how easy that is? This is what I've been doing with other systems. This is what the other, people that you see that you call big promoters, this is what they do. They just do make simple videos and they put them out there on YouTube, and they're literally just taking you on the inside of their back office. They're becoming ambassadors for the products that they promote. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Like, don't overcomplicate affiliate marketing. It's only as complicated as you make it. It's only as big as the fear that's in your mind. And guys, I'm talking to myself too, right? That's all it is. So take this 21-day challenge serious. It's really powerful. Sometimes people overlook the simple, and the simple can get you really good results if you are patient with your results and you really understand that this is branding. Every video that you make, being an ambassador for the product, not only are you going to rank higher in the rankings for this product, but you're also for this digital product, but you're also gonna people are going to believe in you and believe in partnering with you because you are putting out content showing them how this system could work for them, and he's giving you the step-by-step blueprint. Okay, so that's it. And you're developing yourself at the same time. Now, when you join something else, you understand step by step how to become a top promoter in that and whatever you promote. Simple. Right. So, anyways, I kind of went on a tangent. Let me summarize the benefits. The benefits are definitely the 21-day challenge so that you can learn step by step how to get set up, how to get primed for success in your mind, how to get traffic and marketing strategies, and then turn that into content because that's what it is. Right. And that content is always out there working for you 24/7, especially if you're using YouTube marketing. The other reason why I believe in the system is that it's an automated system. That doesn't mean that you're going to sit back and do nothing. What it means is that when you do simple things like put up some simple Facebook posts, using some strategies, or some ads, or you make YouTube video or a combination of the two, right? And we give you those strategies in the marketing training in the system. You have a system that behind the scenes is following up with people, is giving people more information, and is presenting for you so that you don't have to explain to people how all of this works. The system does that. Okay. You can just put out little mini posts, mini videos, less than 5 to 10 minutes. I talk a lot, y'all, so my videos be long because I be ranting. But on average, you can make videos about 5 minutes answering these questions, right? That's it. And you don't even have to show your face. You can just do a simple PowerPoint real quick. But that's a whole nother story. Num, 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 num. The other thing benefit is that you have the ability to earn high ticket commissions. Again, for the digital affiliate marketer who's like, you know what, I'm tired of earning $100 commissions. I'm really even tired of earning 250 commissions. I want to earn those $1,000, $500 commissions. I want those bigger commissions because I'm ready for them. I'm ready for high ticket commissions. Then this is who this is for, right? And also the affiliate marketer is saying, wow, maybe I've been promoting high ticket programs, but it didn't have a residual component. I want to build in that residual component as well. This has the best of both as well. And then the ability, like I said, that I already showed you, that you have the ability to promote multiple streams of income through the dashboard of your back office in the Resellers Club. So I just want to thank you for checking this out today, for giving me the opportunity to speak my mind, to share why I'm so excited about this Resellers Club. If you want the formulas, I have $1,000 days. Click the link beneath this video. You're going to be able to check out the full presentation for free. When you partner with me, you're going to get access to my ATM blueprint with the strategies that have helped me become a top earner and affiliate marketer, rinse and repeat, able to go to affiliate offers and to produce and teach other people how to do the same strategies. All right, so that's that. Smash the subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.